Welcome to my channel Indian Unique Study. So today we are here to learn about a new topic, microorganisms. First, let us know what microorganisms actually are. Micro. Micro means very small or very tiny, and organisms means living beings, living creatures. So microorganisms, they are known as small living beings or small living creatures. They are in short also called microbes. Microbes are the short form of the word microorganisms. So let us know what are microorganisms. So microorganisms are very tiny microorganisms. They are very tiny organisms and they are the most abundant thing in the nature. Now what does abundant mean? The word abundant means that it is found mostly. Means like this is our earth atmosphere. Which gas is the most abundant? Nitrogen. 21% is oxygen and the rest is nitrogen. So abundant means uh, in more number, in more quantity. Abundant means that is present in more quantity. So microorganisms are the most abundant living creature on our earth. As earth is the only living planet that the humans have discovered till the date. So as you can see, this is a bread. This is an illustrative example of bread. In a small piece of bread, there are millions of microorganisms present. As you can see like this. This only a tiny part of the bread, when zoomed under a microscope, can get millions of microorganisms over there. Because a gram of soil, only a single gram of soil, not even 10 grams, only 1 gram of soil contains more than 40 million microorganisms. Microorganisms are present everywhere, mostly everywhere, in ice cold region to very hot regions like deserts, in cold areas like Himalayas to the hot dry desert like Sahara. They are present everywhere, even inside our body, even inside on my hand, everywhere. It is stick to everything. Microscope is a substance. No, microscope is a instrument that is used to see the microorganism closely. This is a microscope. When we look through the microscope, we look through the eyepiece. The eyepiece is a place where we put our eyes to look what is the specimen. The specimen is something that contains the contains the substance that need to be viewed by the microscope, that need to be viewed under the microscope on a slide. The slide is something that carries that specimen to get viewed by the microscope. So this is a microscope. We view from the eyepiece. We view from this eyepiece as many of many of the lenses are present here. Many of the lenses are present here to get the image or get the specimen zoomed, so we can get the microorganism clear. This is coarse adjustment. Means this is just to adjust it roughly. Means not 100% fine, but approximately fine. This is fine adjustment screw. When we rotate these screws, we get the approximate value through the coarse adjustment. And with the help of fine adjustment screw, when we rotate it, we get approximately the best value we can, the best image that we can get through this fine adjustment. These are the lenses, objective lenses. They can be of either 5x, 10x, 30x, 40x, or even greater. So they have different values based on their magnification. Microorganisms are very small. They cannot be viewed by our naked eyes. That is why we use this instrument. This is a compound microscope. As this is the stage. This is the stage where we put the slide, and on the slide we put the specimen. And we fix the specimen on the slide to get viewed by the eyepiece. This is the arm. The arm, this part is the arm. This is the arm that holds the whole microscopic body, the upper part that does the magnification of the specimen. And this is the slide where the specimen is kept. This is the mirror, a mirror to reflect light. When the light falls on the mirror, it gets reflected to here, and over here the specimen, on the specimen the light gets clear, so that through the eyepiece we can get a clear view of the specimen. Likewise, you can check that in the onion. When we check the onion peel cells, tissues, we can see it clearly because of the light. But without the light, we can see it very dark, and we would not even be able to get the correct image. Let's move on. So there are about 40 million microorganisms or microbes present in just a 1 gram soil. Just little bit of soil contains 40 million, as they cannot be viewed by our naked eyes. We cannot see it without anything, without any instrument. We cannot view anything, any microorganisms. It is present everywhere, floating in the air, in the waters, in the sky, in the ice cold region to hot desert. Everywhere the microorganisms are present. And there are about 40 million microorganisms in just 1 gram. The microorganisms are also of different shapes and sizes. Some of them are given here. Bacilli. This is a type of microorganism that is like a rod shape. That is long, like rod. You can see this marker. It is long like rod shape. Like this shape of microorganisms are bacilli. Example, lactobacillus bacterium. Bacillus. Lactobacillus. Lacto means lactose. Bacillus means bacilli. Bacillus. Next, cocky. Cocky means spherical in shape. That is spherical in shape. These are the microorganisms that are approximately round. They are like spherical in shape, round in shape. Example, streptococcus. Streptococcus. Cocky, coccus. Cocky, coccus. Next, Vibrio. They are a rod-like structure but with a tail at the back. They are long but not like bacilli. They are longer than bacilli. Next, Spirilla. They are they are a type of microorganism with the shape as spiral. They are rolled. Not exactly like rolled, but like springs. They are rolled like springs. They are spiral in shape. They are spiral in shape. They are in not in any like long or circle in shape. They are spiral. They are like spring in shape. So thank you for today, guys. Hope you enjoy this video. Let us meet next time. Until then,